Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to edit Google business profile. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So first open google.com/business and then you see button sign in, manage now. So click on sign in and then you see store code, business status. You see multiple option. So this is our verified account. Now you see verified location, also you see multiple option, pencil icon, so you can edit business information. So click on it and then pop up open and then you see business information, you see multiple tab. So if you want, you can change all information in Google business profile. You see about your business, business name, you see pencil icon. If you want, you can change it and then click on save. Now you see business category, also you see pencil icon, edit. Now scroll down, you see description, opening date. If you want, you can add it and then you see contact information, number, website. If you want, you can add social profile, so it's up to you. And then you see location and address, so click on it. If you want, you can change it, but you cannot change country and region. Now scroll down, click on cancel. So we are in location section, you see yours and then scroll down, you see service area. If you want, you can add it and then you see business hour, open with main hours. Now you see days and time and then you see special hour. If you want, you can add more, or breakfast, dinner, drive through, lunch, so it's up to you. So you can add information or you can edit information according to your requirement. And then you see more from the business, pencil icon. Now you see instruction, so you can do setting according to your requirement. You see accessibility, crowd, emergency help, planning, service option, so it's up to you. So by using this, you can edit all information in your Google business profile and then click on save. So this is our verified business profile. Now close. Now you see verified, you see tick icon. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.